12th class students, today I am explaining you surface chemistry, which is very important chapter. In this, first topic is adsorption. Adsorption is nothing but penetration of gas or liquid molecules on the surface of solid or liquid. See once again, penetration of gas or liquid molecules on the surface of solid or liquid is known as adsorption. Just on the surface, not bulkily, just on the surface. If it is bulkily happened, penetration, that is called absorption. Absorption is nothing but same way, penetration only. Throughout the surface, penetration of gas or liquid molecules throughout the other substance, then it is known as absorption. If we ask the difference between adsorption, absorption, what you can write is, first point we can write definition, means already given in this one. Second one, adsorption is surface phenomenon. This one, absorption is bulk phenomenon. Absorption is bulk. Okay, two different. Now there are two types of adsorptions. First one, physical adsorption. Physical adsorption means which takes place due to physical force. That is known as physical adsorption. Example, adsorption of helium on charcoal. Next one, chemical adsorption. See, the name itself telling this is because of physical force, this is because of chemical force. See, which adsorption takes place due to chemical force. Example, adsorption of hydrogen gas on metal surface. These are the two types of adsorptions. Okay, now very important question. What is the differences between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption? The differences are, first one, this is due to physical force. This one due to chemical force. Second point, we can give an example. This is helium on charcoal. This is example is hydrogen gas on metal surface. Physical one takes place at low temperatures only. Chemical one need high temperature. Physical one is multi-layered. Chemical one only uni-layered. Physical adsorption is reversible. Means we can get back. This one chemical adsorption irreversible. This one decreases with increase in temperature. This decreases with increase in temperature. Here increases with increase of temperature. Chemical adsorption increases. I am giving increasing symbol arrow upwards with increase of temperature. Seventh difference, increases with increase of pressure. Increase of pressure. Here chemical adsorption does not affect by pressure. Next one, physical adsorption depends on adsorbate. This one depends on both adsorbate and adsorbent. Okay, these are the main 8 differences between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. It is very important. Please learn by heart it. Okay.